approaching the Soggy Dollar bar at 8 a.m. Gotta get a good spot. Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. The Jost Van Dyke, our final island. Jost Van Dyke. We're on White Beach, parked right in front of the webcam. That's our boat over there, the Annex. This is the beach. Good number of people here in the morning. Here's the famous Soggy Dollar bar. Go get some painkillers. This is a beautiful beach. Gonna spend some time here today.
We have party, we have birthday party, we have anniversary, and so on. They're all on the boat, so they know, yeah, we're gonna have a good day today.
For sure. Beautiful.
Specialized mixing team. I think I got a shot left.
Oh, look at that.
There you go, there's the birthday girl.
Oh, give it to the birthday girl.
No, I know the bartender. Here you go, honey.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hindo's hideout. You're gonna go play some volleyball.
Go.
There she is, the Annex. Crew's probably having a nice break from us.
Oh!
You're there, right here.
Go.
There you
Come back. Oh, good. Ha!
go.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got it. Come on, Mo. Ah!
Baby. Yeah.
I'm the guy recording, the guy taking the pictures of the models playing volleyball. And by models, I don't mean Lunas.
Take a picture of
and
our
other-
models.
Our models. We have models, friends too.
Standard Midwestern classics.
I mean, I've been working out a little bit, but those guys are catching up with me.
Adonis like.
But he's so like, I don't think it was just in your face time, like, he's
From him there.
Got a group of Miami models here doing photo shoots, like I said, a fashion show in Tortola. Now they're all been doing photo shoots at the beach all day and playing volleyball with us. Nice people.
Don't, put it down there.
I know, I got this,
Leaving Jost Van Dyke last time on the BVI.
That's a good sound, right?
It's been amazing.
I think we're done for the day. Until we go there.
Both of you, all of you.
What's the throwing distance on that?
Is this the one?
0.
Like,
Adios, adios.
We just heard it.
oh, we did?
Yeah, we're gonna hear it again.
Oh, so. Do you have to download the song separately, or did you already have it on there?
I haven't used that thing at all. It feels like I thought that based on what I was reading it, there was going to be like a data and Wi-Fi issue, but there wasn't an issue at all. Basically, it wasn't like normal. I didn't need to do it. But I did save everybody's playlist on the like, oh, we can't do it.